This 2018 Winnebago Paseo 48P is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, stovetop burner, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, TV, smoke detector, water heater, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. This 2018 Winnebago Paseo 48P is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.